Idle before starting engines. Battery switch.
On good voltage.
Parking brake.
Set.
Wheel chocks.
Removed.
Pre-flight.
Complete.
Cabin door.
Closed and locked.
Passenger briefing.
Complete.
Seats and rudder pedals.
Good left.
Good right.
Belts and harnesses.
Good left.
Good right.
Air conditioning switch.
Off.
Cockpit lights.
Set.
Rotating beacon.
On.
Complete. Tidal starting engines. Generators.
Both on.
First engine.
Okay, number 2. Fuel flow. Light off. Oil pressure's coming up. And we have rotation. Temperature's good. Oil pressure's up. Alright, good start.
Engine instruments.
All good, no flags.
Second engine.
Number 1, that's good. Fuel flow. Oil pressure's coming up, light off. Rotation. Temperature's good, oil pressure's coming up. Alright, good start. Our engine instruments look great.
Engine instruments. External power.
Removed.
Generators.
Are on.
Complete. Tidal after start. AC power and master avionics switches.
Are on.
DC amps and volts.
Checking. There's our master warning. And there goes good. And we're doing an inverter test. That's good. That's good. Okay.
Circuit breakers.
Good left.
Right.
Good right. Good.
Standby gyro.
Is on.
Passenger advisory lights.
Set.
Anti-skid.
On and showing normal.
Radar.
Stand by.
Pressurization.
Like 310 on the way home.
Speed 3 ground, 3138 Whiskey. I'm at Epps, ready for clearance and with Yankee.
November 3138 Whiskey, Peachtree ground, cleared.
Temperature control and foot warmers.
Airport via radar vectors to Nello, direct to Chile,
Gyro pressure.
and direct. On departure, maintain 3,000, expect 8,000, 5 minutes after
Battery
departure.
temp.
Departure frequency 126.9 or
Flight controls and speed brakes.
7150.
Speed brakes are up on my side.
Okay,
There
3
again.
Whiskey, fly radar
Flaps.
to Nels into Gillis.
20.
Climb maintain 3,000, expect 8,000, 5 minutes after
Complete.
departure. Departure frequency 126.9 or 7. Squawk
Tidal, taxi.
150.
Okay, we'll get a clearance. Yeah, it's on 121.6. We have Yankees 320, so it's runway. We'll be taxiing.
Roger that. I'm
Bravo
ready
to
to taxi.
Alpha.
I'll catch Zulu on the way down.
So good there.
3 Whiskey, Roger, you said you're right out.
That is correct.
21.6. So you're on COM 1.
In
Peters
Zulu,
is on COM
1452
Still
Zulu,
Yankee.
runway 906, visibility 10, runway 3 right, taxi via Bravo Alpha, hold short runway -15, altimeter 3029er.
Bravo Alpha, 3 right, short, 3
IFR clearance is available on ground control 121.6. No 10 is runway 3 right, battery
Ground low, Scout
unusable.
5 Cherokee,
Use caution for outlet tower, UAS and bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. 3 back, all runway, hold short instructions, advise ground control of IFR or VFR for taxi, advise on initial contact, you have information Zulu. And Scout,
they're changing it right now. They
Zulu, flight 1, we got 452 Zulu, wind 290, visibility 10, sky conditions clear, temperature -580 kilo, -15, runway 3029, hex via Bravo, again departing 3 left, complete right, visual approach continues. IFR clearance is available on ground control 121.6.
Gonna complete Warrior 84400.
Okay, go ahead.
Warrior 84400, hold short 3 left, monitor tower.
Push short 3 left, final tower.
Yeah, as soon as we get our clearance, I'll start working on that.
And November 3138 Whiskey, change of plan, runway.
Complete.
Go ahead.
Tidal before takeoff.
Go ahead.
Anti-ice.
All off.
Standby gyro.
Uncaged.
Flaps and trim.
20 and 1, 2, 3.
Takeoff data.
Alright, so...
Is that the right one? Yeah, that's that one there.
this one.
Yes.
V1's 81. VR 87, V2 95.
95 set.
81 set.
Citation 705 Sierra Papa, Peachtree Tower, cross runway 3 left, hold short, runway 3 right.
Cross 3 left, hold short 3 right, 5 Sierra Papa.
Okay, we're crossing 3 left and we hold short at the next one.
Crew briefing.
Standard static takeoff, standard warp procedures, and we're direct to, we're runway heading or vectors to no town, or no to.
Passenger advisory lights.
Hold there. You can tell the tower we're ready.
And 5 Sierra Papa's ready when you are. Citation 5 Sierra Papa, fly runway heading, runway 3 right, clear for takeoff, wind 280 at 5.
And runway heading, clear for takeoff, 5 Sierra Papa.
Clear for takeoff, cross the line, runway heading. So we're runway heading to 3,000. All right, checklist.
Passengers.
We're good.
Holding at the line.
Tower 417 Kilo Charlie's up.
Exterior lights.
Say again.
Transponder.
Flight 417 Kilo Charlie, Peachtree.
Radar.
Runway 3
Stand
right,
by.
clear to land, wind 2.
Pressurization source.
Full land 3 right.
Ignition.
Is on.
Pitot heat.
On.
Annunciator panel.
Clear.
Engine instruments.
I see. All good. No flags. You good?
Passenger safety.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay. Here we go. 97.4. No, 98.2. That's on the sheet.
Good.
Here we go.
Citation 900 Sierra Juliet, Peachtree Tower, cross runway 3 left, hold short, runway 3 right.
Cross speeds alive, both sides. 70 knots, checks, V1, and rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up. Yaw damper.
Yaw damper's on.
Tidal. After takeoff. Climb. Positive rate.
Gears up.
Landing lights.
Off.
Yaw damper.
On.
Flaps.
Citation
flaps up.
0 Sierra Juliet, can you accept an immediate?
Yes, we can accept
Flaps up.
immediate 90 Juliet.
Ignition.
Citation 0 Sierra Juliet, fly runway heading, runway 3
Normal.
right, clear for immediate takeoff. Traffic 2
One
miles
to
out
go.
for your runway.
Climb power.
Clear for immediate takeoff 3 right, 90 Juliet.
Flight 7 Kilo Charlie, traffic departing prior to your arrival. Citation.
7 Kilo Charlie, they're in sight.
Citation 5 Sierra Papa, continue the runway heading, contact Atlanta departure, safe flight.
Alright, contact departure, 5 Sierra Papa, then we'll continue runway heading.
Correction, Charlie Foxtrot, Golf Mike Foxtrot, just to verify you said about 30 miles off your current heading for these for this work?
Yeah, about 30 miles to our Silver station, present heading Charlie Golf Mike Fox.
And Atlanta departure, citation 705 Sierra Papa, at 3,000 off of Peachtree.
Number 705 Sierra Papa, ident flighting 350.
350 and ident, 5 Sierra Papa.
Number 5 Sierra Papa, miss the ident, climb and maintain 900,000. No delay, accelerate today, please.
Up to 900,000, 5 Sierra Papa, no delay on film.
Departure citation
900,000.
Juliet, runway heading 2,500, climbing 3,000.
No delay.
Number 90 Sierra Juliet, Atlanta departure, ident, climb and maintain 900,000.
509,000, we're all set.
Climbing 9,000, 90 Juliet.
Number 90 Sierra Julia, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Cap B Street, leaving 3,000, 200 knots or less for now.
I'm speeding, but he told me to go fast.
Number 5 Sierra Papa, contact approach 133.47.
3347, 5 Sierra Papa.
Number 0 Sierra Julia, turn left heading 350.
Left heading 350, 90 Sierra Juliet.
And Atlanta, Citation 705, Sierra Papa is through 7,300 for 9,000.
Citation 705, Sierra Papa, Atlanta approach, climb and maintain 13,000.
13,000, 5 Sierra Papa.
All right, 13,000.
Never City 197, contact Atlanta Center 133.1.
133.1, airfield 97 Sierra.
Engine sync.
5, are you here?
On.
Yeah.
Pressurization.
9,945, 4.2, 10,000 now.
Anti-ice.
45 departure, radar contact.
Good to 10,000 feet.
470, climb maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000, 2470.
North 13, everything's set. Cost checked.
Roger, good morning, Delta 1830 off the north side, 3.2 for 10,000.
Delta 1830, Atlanta departure, radar contact.
1830, roger, on the
Ever 5197. Delta 2470, contact
Check.
Center 134.905.
We don't have to move the ice train.
Pressurization.
2470.
Looks good.
Passenger advisory lights.
Set.
Good to 18,000 feet.
Climb and maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000, Tower 3671.